Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Qur'anic Arabic Recitation with Tajweed Rules. So in this session, we will be studying the sixth letter of Arabic alphabet. Okay. And it is called Ha. That's one of the throat letters, and the sound is the letter is Ha, and the sound is Ha, okay, coming from the throat. Okay, so what is its Makharij? It comes from the middle of the throat. So basically the throat has 6 letters, from the farthest from the mouth, the middle, and the nearest to the mouth, and this one is from the middle of the throat. It is produced with the base. Okay, so let me explain this to you. Okay, it is produced with the base of the tongue near the back of the mouth. So the base of the tongue, that's the base. You see here, that's the base of the tongue here, and base of the tongue, okay, near the back of the throat. So it comes near the back of the throat and strongly constricting the wall. Okay, and then if you see here, the wall is constricted compared to other situation, and tensing the tongue, and the tongue is tense. And okay, we see the sound is Ha, Ha, Ha. Okay, it's very difficult to pronounce for some people, and especially if for English, because there's no this equivalent letter or sound in English. Okay, so again, it is one of the throat letters. It is pronounced from the middle of the throat. Okay, next slide. Is it heavy or light? It is a light letter. So by pronouncing it, when we pronounce it, our mouth, lips remain flat. For example, Ha, sound. Okay. Next one is it a connector or non-connector? It is a connector. Why? Because if you see its connecting form, that suggests that it is a connector. You see, in the if it comes in the beginning of a word, it can be connected to another word next to it. If it comes in the so here you can connect another letter with it, and if it comes in the middle of the word, then you can connect letter before it and after it, and if it is at the end of the word, you can connect letters before it. That's why that is why it is a connector. Okay, how to write it? Similar to Jim, it has 2 parts. The top part rests on the line, imaginary line, and the bottom one under the line. It has no dots inside it. How do we write it? It's practical. Let's see. Practice it. If it's written on its own, it's like this. Okay, that's on its own. If it's written in the beginning of a word, then it's like this. If it is written in the middle, okay, and if it is at the end, okay. And can we connect them? Yes, we can. Connect these parts. Sorry, this one. Let me write it down as a connector, connecting form. Okay, so that's, you can connect them before. You can connect it with other letters before or after it. Okay. It doesn't have English equivalent at all, so we can't use any sound from English. But for transliteration purposes, I have used H underscore, because I'll be using H only for another letter. So I'm using H underscore for transliteration purposes. Okay, so this is the end of this session. So we will see you in next session, inshallah. Until then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.